At CNH Industrial Reman, we use continuous improvement to remain a cut above the competition and give our customers true peace of mind. From core to completion, our meticulous remanufacturing processes include utilizing state-of-the-art tools and equipment to clean, repair, replace, and test parts to the latest OEM specifications. Our hydraulics facility showcases CNH Industrial Reman's commitment to delivering only the best quality parts to our customers. When the hydraulics arrive from the core return center, we identify the core and then it is pre-cleaned to remove any exterior contamination. The hydraulics are completely disassembled, visually inspected, and carefully cleaned. The disassembled components pass through a contamination barrier and a conveyor belt washer. Contamination barriers are specifically placed throughout our process to ensure component cleanliness. Our aggressive cleaning process uses high-pressure washers and ultrasonic technology. In addition, iron parts are placed in a caustic solution to remove any paint or rust. All parts are inspected and precise measurements are taken on critical parts, including spline wear and surface finish on wear areas. If parts require measurements beyond the capability of conventional gauging, they pass through a second contamination barrier and enter a temperature and humidity-controlled room, where they are run through the Coordinate Measure Machine, or CMM. The temperature is held at 70 degrees with less than 50% humidity to keep the parts at a stable temperature and ensure consistency. Our best-in-class CMM machine goes above and beyond standard gauging by measuring different sizes and shapes, which allows it to capture the spherical end of a hydraulic piston, a feat nearly impossible with standard-style gauging. CMM is guaranteed to a repeatability of 0.18 microns, much smaller than the width of a human hair, which allows it to precisely check the form of the part and ensure there's no hidden wear. The hydraulics are assembled in a controlled environment. All soft parts and critical wear parts such as seals, O-rings, gaskets, and bearings are replaced, regardless of condition. Responsibility cards are signed by operators confirming completion of critical assembly tasks for each pump, including critical torques, part position verification, and seal installation. And all gauges are on a calibration schedule including indicators, calipers, and torque wrenches. All parts are rigorously tested to ensure operational reliability and performance to OEM specifications. Air decay testing precisely detects even the smallest leaks. The difference in viscosity between air and oil exaggerates the leaks, making them easier to measure and identify. The metering units quantify the actual leak rate, giving us hard data to determine whether or not the part passes or fails based on OEM specifications. Then the part moves on to the hydraulic test machine. All attachment points are configured to simulate product in its intended environment. Testing specifications are entered by our engineering department for each individual part number, ensuring every pump performs to the highest requirements. All tests are automated for complete engineering control. To replicate the same level of testing as our automated bench, manual test benches would require a technician to make up to 70 different manipulations. Our automated testing removes this human error and subjectivity, ensuring a precise process. Once the part passes testing, quality control confirms the responsibility card and test reports are accurate. The product is moved to the paint booth, where it will get a fresh coat of paint to look as good as it will perform. Finally, the pump is packaged and prepared for shipment. As you can see, there's a high standard of quality that sets our Reman hydraulics apart from rebuilt or repaired parts. Our state-of-the-art processes and unequaled quality control are built into every step, giving dealerships and customers true peace of mind. Today, there are more reasons than ever to choose remanufactured hydraulics from CNH Industrial Reman.